Hello, I want to show you the newest listing in Angola. 2 minutes from the water of Crooked Lake and 10 minutes from the dock, but this house is a must-see with lots of features. Come on in. We're standing in this grand, great room. Vaulted ceilings to give the volume and the height that you want. Double windows, awesome fireplace, open with the foyer, open with the kitchen, in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus a den. Take a look at this amazing kitchen. Granite countertops, storage space in the pantry, coffee nook, storage space throughout, stainless steel appliances. This is an awesome kitchen with views of your private backyard into the woods, great breakfast nook, access to the patio, hot tub, just so many features. You gotta come take a look at this. And of course, we have the split bedroom plan that everybody wants. Master located on one side, 2 bedrooms on the other. We have a great triple window in the front bedroom. We have the back bedroom that has the awesome views of your private backyard. And then you have the full bath that separates the two. Welcome to the master bedroom. Of course, we have the tray ceiling. Of course, we have the double sink master bathroom. We have the double windows overlooking your private backyard with the woods. And I want to take you outside. We've made it outside with this expansive patio where you're gonna put the fireplace, you're gonna put the table and chairs. This is gonna be your entertaining area. And don't worry, you're not gonna disturb too many neighbors because there's only a few on this private street and absolutely nobody behind you in this private backyard. I appreciate your time allowing me to take you through video of this home. I would love to show it to you in person. If you haven't signed your buyer broker agreement with your agent, shoot me a call. Let's really experience this home together.